the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I am Mr. Malik and you are watching me on the YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to Module 4. So in today's assignment, we have just two files, instruction file and solution file. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then click on enable editing. So we have to make that zoom, so it must be have clear view to everyone. In today's video, we will discuss Illustrated Excel 365/2021. It's Module 4, end of Module Project 1. And title of today's assignment is Dexter Bank and Trust. Insert and modify charts. So in today's video, we will discuss this assignment step by step. Their name is Illustrated Excel 365/2021, Module 4, end of Module Project 1. Dexter Bank and Trust is the title of today's assignment. Insert and modify charts. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, first we move toward whole assignment. How many points we have? In start we have non-graded part, then in graded part. So in graded part we have just 8 questions, and there is also a solution available, so we can match our solution with given solution. So let me start today's assignment step by step. In today's video we will discuss Module 4 and of Module Project 1. So we are just moving toward non-graded part first. Change its color. So in first part we have to open the file, and in next part we have to change its name from 1 to 2. So first we have to open Excel sheet. It is just getting opening. Then in next part we have to change its name. So for that we have to click on file, save as, browse, and there we delete one and write 2 there, then press enter. So file name has been changed. Then in next part we have to ensure that our name is there in cell B6 of documentation worksheet. So it's documentation worksheet, cell B6, our name is there. Remember that if our name does not appear there, then what we have to do, we simply delete that file and download a new file from SAM website. So both non-graded part of today's assignment is done. Now we are moving toward graded part, and in graded part we have 8 questions. So let me start that step by steps. So from here to here we have just instruction about the file, that what we have in today's file, how we have to solve that one. We just simply read that one and get idea. As the director of operation for Dexter Bank and Trust in Philadelphia, Berenium McKinney is overseeing the extension of bank into new location. To prepare for presentation to the bank board, she has created an Excel workbook tracking the new branch opened in West Virginia. She asks for your help in formatting and creating charts in workbook. So all these were just instruction about the file, that what we have in today's file, how we have to solve that one. Our main part of question 1 is start from here. So we go to new branch worksheet. First we have to move to our new branch worksheet here. Then the new branch by quarter stack column chart shows the new branch open in 5 location 2024. From here, yes, this shows that there are 5 branches. Then what we have to do, change the chart type to cluster column chart to make the data easier to enter. Now we have to change this to, the chart type to cluster column chart. So first we have to select this chart, then click on create design, and there is an option change chart type. Okay, in type there is an option change chart type. For that we have to select this chart. Okay, then we just click on chart type. Then here we have to select cluster column. Then simply press OK. So chart will be changed to cluster column chart. Let me set my video on location. So question number one is done. In question number one, we just moved to our new branch worksheet, and there in new branch worksheet, there is a quarter stack column chart shows the new branch opened in 5 locations in 2024. So our main question is that we have to change that type of that just like stack column chart to clustered column chart, and we have done that one, and we get this result. Okay, now our chart is in clustered column chart. So question number one is done. After solving question one, now we are moving toward question number two. Move the chart legend to the right position to remove the clutter from the bottom of the chart. So now in question number two, after reading instruction, we get idea that we have to move the chart legend to the right position. Okay, so first we have to select this chart, then this plus sign, open this one. There is legend. Okay, open this, and now we have to it's already there in bottom. Now we have to bring toward the right position, right of the chart. Okay, so that is done. Now chart agent are here. Okay, so question number two is done. After solving question two, now we are moving toward question number three. Brenna knows the board members will be interested in new balance opened in fourth quarter. Highlight the data series representing quarter 4 in cluster column chart by changing the fill color of quarter 4 data series to orange accent 6. Orange accent 6. Okay, so that was just a session that we have to highlight the data series representing quarter 4 in cluster column chart by changing the fill color of quarter 4 data series to orange accent 6. So first we have to find where is quarter 4 data series. Yeah, this one. First we have to highlight. So now all quarter 4 data series are highlighted. Now we have to change their fill color. So for that we have to click on format, and here is shape fill color. So now what color we have to apply? We have to apply orange accent 6. Fill color, where is orange accent 6? This one, click on there, so that color will be changed. Now you may see quarter 4 color have been changed to accent 6, orange accent 6, sorry. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3 we have to change the fill color of quarter 4 data series to orange accent 6, and we have done that one. Okay, and other is one. Okay, there is one more, that and applying glow 5 point orange accent color 1 glow shape effect. Now we have to apply also this glow effect, that is glow 5 point orange accent 6 color 1. So for that we have to shape outline. No, shape effect, there is glow accent 5. So what is that? Glow accent 5 point orange accent color 1. So we have to, yes, this one, first one. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3 there are two parts. In first part we have to change the fill color of quarter 4 data series to orange accent 6. Then on the same we have to change its just like glow shape effect, and we have to give glow 5 point orange accent color 1, and we have done that and get the result. So question number 3 is done. After solving question 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. The 2D pie chart is supposed to compare the number of new branches opened in each city, but Reina finds it difficult to understand what the wages in the chart represent. Apply style 9 to the chart, to 2D pie chart. Okay, so where is 2D pie chart? There is 2D pie chart. We have to first select this one. This is the 2D pie chart. Now what we have to do? We have to change its style to style 9. So after selecting this, then this option, chart design option come. Open this one, and from here we have to find chart style 9. Okay, this one I think so. Yes. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, we just target to 2D pie chart. First we have to select that one, then we have to change their style to style 9 and we get this result. So question number 4 is done. After solving question 4, now we are moving toward question number 5. Vaina wants to clarify that Hongston has most new branches at 27% explode the largest slice of the pie represented by 10%. So now we have to change 27%, this one. We have to change its explosion to 10%. So in this way we will solve question number 5, sorry, then 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me show the solution of today's file that we are going exactly or not. So we just work on there, then there. Okay, so you may compare that we are going exactly or not. Here we have work and we have done work on here. So we are just going exactly 100% as the solution that is provided by SteamGauge website. So we are just going exactly 100%. So in today's video we discuss illustrated Excel 365/2024-21, sorry, module 4 and of module project 1. Title of today's assignment is Dexter Bank and Trust. Insert and modify the charts. In start we cover all non-graded part. After covering all non-graded part, then we move toward graded part, and in graded part we have 8 questions. So first we done question 1 step by step, then we just move toward question number 2, and we have done question number 2, then we move toward question number 3, and we have done question number 3. After solving question 3, then we move toward question number 4, and after solving question 4, then we solve question number 5. So in there we have total 8 questions. Out of 8 we have done first 5 questions. Mean almost 60% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. You can easily contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that whenever I will solve your assignment, your marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, in programming Java, C++, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee that your marks will be 100% whenever I will solve your assignment. And I am going to give you a biggest opportunity that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from the scammer, because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client, from the student, but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, it's the biggest opportunity that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. Our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. So in today's video, we discuss illustrated Excel 365/2021, module 4 and of module project 1. We have done almost 60% assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Again, listen to me carefully that we have done almost 60% assignment in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.